30% glycolic equivalent retexturizing treatment, Miracle Plus Pad by Kane Austin. This maximum strength at-home facial retexture treatment is clinically proven to even skin tone, build collagen, and visibly reduce the appearance of age spots, fine lines and wrinkles. The most intensive version of our peel, it delivers the results comparable to a 30% glycolic acid medical-grade clinical treatment to restore luminosity and vitality, for the most radiant, healthy-looking skin. The addition of witch hazel gently cleanses the skin, providing a tightened and toned feeling in the skin. Non-irritating. Ideal for all skin types. Paraben and fragrance-free. Clinically proven to visibly reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Minimize pore size. Effectively reverse sun damage. Even skin tone and texture. Reduce age spots and hyperpigmentation. Promote collagen production and skin elasticity. Directions: each morning and evening, swipe pad over clean face, avoiding the eye area. For sensitive skin, use once daily for the first week, then increase to twice daily. A tingling sensation may occur and is normal. Caution: for external use only. Avoid eye area. If product gets into the eyes, flush with water. If irritation persists, contact your physician. Keep out of reach of children. Sun alert: prior to sun exposure, cover areas to which the product has been applied with sunscreen. Proven power of glycolic acid. Kane Austin advanced skincare products are formulated with a unique glycolic acid derived from sugarcane. A revelation in at-home skincare, it goes deeper to exfoliate, hydrate and reduce signs of aging for healthy, younger-looking skin. Restore your skin's vitality. Our anti-aging 30% glycolic equivalent Miracle Retexture Pad will exfoliate dead skin cells from the surface of your skin, allowing your face to glow again. The pharmaceutical-grade glycolic acid is derived from sugarcane and is clinically proven to visibly reduce fine lines, wrinkles and pore size. The combination of vitamin A, vitamin C, and coenzyme Q10 slows the normal aging breakdown of collagen and elastin, and helps treat hyperpigmentation and photodamage. Easy and effective, these at-home, one-step, daily use treatment peels deliver results rivaling expensive and invasive in-office procedures and are clinically proven to be successful on men and women with all skin tones and types. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.